Hi AC, it's Yaya and Cuckoo greeting you a very, very happy birthday. And here's Cuckoo.
Hi, AC, happy birthday. Go to Mass and you pray for us also, okay? And your two sisters, guide them, okay? Okay, bye-bye. I love you.
Okay, it's my turn now. And I want you to remember this song because I used to sing this to you when you were small, when you're still a baby. Okay? Azarel, 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 love. Number one love yan. Azarel, 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 love. Number one love yan. Little munchkin pa ni mommy. Little one pa ni daddy. Angel baby ni yaya. Number one love ni Cuckoo. Teklita pa ni Uncle Jay. Prinsesitang Berat na tulenggek ni Tita Fats. Azarel, Azarel, Azarel love. Number one love yan. And then another one. Okay, I hope you still remember this. This is the song that I used to sing to you when I put you to sleep. And after watching the Disney video, the Mickey Mouse and the Minnie Mouse. Okay, I'll try to sing it again. When you wish upon a star, makes no difference who you are. Anything your heart desire will come to you. If your heart is in your dreams, no request is too extreme. When you wish upon a star, as dreamers do. Fate is kind, she brings to those to love the sweet fulfillment of their secret longing. Like a bolt out of the blue, fate steps in and sees you through. When you wish upon a star, your dreams come true. Yes, darling, your dream will come true because you are a star, a between. Okay? We love you. You take care. Happy, happy birthday. Bye.
Siya, i-press mo na. Press play ka lang.
Yeah.
Sabi ko po kamo.
Cuckoo says that invite your friends to come over here and stay the weekend with us. Okay, we love to have you. Okay, okay, sweetheart. Have a nice day. Have a good day. Have a wonderful birthday. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.